Crew. What's up, 360 Crew? Back at it again with a new video. What is up, 360 Crew? Back at it again with the new video. You already know what it is, man. So right now we're at the Thursday night meets. We're not at the user spot, the solo parking lot on Real and Southern. We actually moved this weekend. Not sure why. I just got a text saying that we moved, but it's kind of better though because we are at Tempe Town Lake and we got a beautiful view in our background while we chill and look at cars. And yeah, guess who we have with me today? We got Chris. If you guys don't know who it is, I'll put it across the screen right here. And we got, what's your name, bro?
Chris as well.
Chris as well.
My YouTube channel is Afro EJ1.
Afro EJ1, and I'll put his link on the bottom. Hell yeah, bro.
No.
And you already know what it is, man. He drives a Toyota. Chris drives a, what is this? Chevy?
Yeah, Chevy.
Chevy. He drives a Chevy with the thingamajig in it and that thing. Yeah. But with all that said, man, let's walk around. Let's talk to people. Let's get it. Alright guys, right now we're about to mob around and go talk to some people.
Oh,
you already know what it is.
So like I grew up
Pretty much. Ooh, we got good lighting right here. What up, bro? What's your name, bro?
Hey, my name's Danny. Good to meet you,
Danny?
man.
Hell yeah, this is Danny right here just cruising on the scooters. I'm about to get me a scooter today.
Check it out.
Hell yeah, bro. Check out the channel, bro.
Yeah.
360 Garage, all one word, no spaces.
Like and subscribe, man.
Like and subscribe, there you go, man. Let's get it. But we're about to walk around. Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Kaylin, who's not in the frame right now. There she is.
Why ain't you over here?
She's in origami right now.
You want to say something to YouTube?
Say,
What's up, YouTube?
yeah, there we go.
Hey, shout me out on Instagram. What's up?
But alright, we're gonna mob. Alright, right now we're about to mob out and talk to people. You ready? Let's go to this big ass group. Or you fine with that? It's too cold. Hey, you dropped something. Psych. I'm just kidding.
What?
I'm just kidding. What up, bro?
Look who's finally here.
What up, bro?
Not for you.
No, I'm trying to pound it, bro. I'm trying to pound it. Chill out.
He's gonna hurt you.
Look, did you pound it, bro? Did I miss you or no?
No, I got you.
Okay, what up, G?
Just worried about your
What up, G? What up? Man, you remind me of my friend. You know Jeffrey?
Oh, you saying he's not your friend, bro?
Rory's ex-roommate?
Nobody's friend, bro.
I've heard of him. Okay, he looks like him.
He's that boy, dude.
Yeah. Alright, man, I'm gonna walk around and go fuck with other people. This is Terrence Carr. You guys already know what it is. Do not follow him on Instagram. His Instagram's right here. Do not follow him. What up, bro? You guys wanna say something to YouTube?
What I say to YouTube?
You're gonna subscribe?
I'm not subscribing. I'm subscribing.
Yeah. 360 Garage, bro. All one word, no spaces.
Okay.
Oh yeah, let's get it.
Dope.
My hands getting, this camera's too heavy. My hands be hurting. But, alright, let's keep mobbing. I'm sorry if I'm talking too much. Yo, it's cold. It's cold. This camera's heavy. My arm's hurting. I got a cough. Chris is over here doing montages. I can't do montages. I need a gimbal. Let's go mess with other people. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn this shit back on when I'm not too cold. Yo, look at Rudolph, yo. With the little bow. Long wolf. Yeah, it's still cold. Still walking around with the camera in my hand. Everybody's still looking at me. Watch this. Get away from the Hondas. I'm just kidding.
That's what I need to do. But when I try to take it out, it only pushes the bushing out. It doesn't
see?
grab the whole thing.
What are you trying to put this in?
In my car.
For what?
I just can't get it out. It's the front lower control on outer bushing.
It just popped off?
No, that's the new one.
Oh, okay.
Replace them.
Okay. You can't hit this. You'll break it.
No,
That new one, the old one.
Oh, you can hit the old one now, but you gotta compress that one.
Yeah. Well, there's a way to do it without a compressor.
Oh, there is? Hammer?
No.
Hammer and 2x4?
It's a bolt with washers on the socket. And you just tighten it and then it slides it out.
Okay, okay. Make sure you lubricate it first, though.
I know.
The fastest way is
Yeah, you like that, but you know.
fastest way.
I'm cold. I'm walking around.
Gorilla Pods are expensive. They're like $60.
See, I can afford $60.
For the ones for DSLRs, they're like
Who's this? Who's this? Who is this guy right here, bro?
I don't even know who I am.
What up, G?
What's going on?
This is Chris. He does videos too, bro. Hold up, bro. Let me put my coffee down, bro. I'm cold. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Are you the one with the, what car you have?
He's got the Miata.
Oh yeah,
You didn't see it.
No? So you have it today?
No.
No?
We drove my car.
Oh, what you driving? You got a
The
fix?
Subi.
You got a fix? No? You got a fix. Oh shit! Guess who we have?
Take that out.
Yo, look, check it out. We got the V6 here.
Six gone. Six
We got the V6 guy.
Six gone.
What up, G? My bad left hand, but I'm cold. This is Chris, bro. It's the homie Chris. This is V6. I don't know his real name. I just call him V6. And he's wearing some ugly shoes again. You should see last week. He was wearing Crocs last week. Now he's wearing the Walmart Vans. But it's all Gucci. Bro, it was funny. You know why? Because last meet on the Monday was all talking about shoes. I'm like, I'm gonna roll through with the maroons today, and nobody else.
Okay. I was looking at the red one right now. I was like, white one. Okay.
Oh yeah, Concords are ugly. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. But yeah. Hey, yo, look. Hey, bro, we found his twin. I told you, bro. Twin. Hey, can you stand next to your brother real quick? So the video know what I was talking about? See, look, they look just alike. That's what I was talking about.
I'm the kid one though.
Hey, I got that central though.
Oh yeah. Yo, it's cold and I don't want to film no more. I'm going to.
Yeah, we'll get through it quick.
You don't want to be on camera?
Hello.
What up?
Hey. I did, okay?
Limbo?
Hey,
Oh, you have it?
I always have it.
Maybe, but not quite yet.
I got chalk too.
Not quite yet. Oh, no shit. We should start the chalk. I actually don't want to put my name on it.
Bro, bring it through. Since you live by me, we'll make a video and I won't charge you nothing. Just buy the paint.
I need to buy the paint. I need to buy the demonize so we can sell everything.
Alright, bro, we do whatever, bro. I'm down. As long as it makes a video, I'm Gucci, bro. But let me go pull out some chalk. But I'll be right back. 360, you already know what it is, man. I'm gonna go get the chalk and hopefully everybody joins it. Not even, you already know what it is. I'm gonna make everybody join. Let's get to it, let's do it, let's get it. What is up, 360? You already know what it is, man. You gotta bust out the chalk. I'm about to show Chris what's going on with the chalk. And yeah, are you waiting for your homie?
What?
You waiting for him?
Yeah, he's on the phone.
Okay. Hey, yo, get out there. No, I'm just kidding. Who's he on the phone with? You don't know? Oh, wow. But you already know what it is. We're going to bust out the chalk, man. Everybody write their IG on the ground. And yeah, we're about to get the litty and shit. Because right now, everybody's spread out. And we're about to make everybody together. Because that's what we do. You already know what it is, man. Pretty much. Long story short. Hey! Who's doing the chalk? You know you are.
Just gonna fucking.
No, everybody ignore me? Damn. What's up, bro? Lorenzo.
I don't know. It's just cool to see a fucking
Where's Adam at?
CC.
Damn.
I ain't got no car here.
Oh, you don't? Oh, my bad. Alright, let's go right into people. There you are.
Sure, but Mike, I actually have my camera.
What's up, bro? You're not gonna pound it?
Nah, not today,
No,
bro.
pound it, bro.
For what?
I'm saying what's up?
I thought you said get off one.
He's leaving me hanging, bro. Thanks. Is your car parked over here?
It's right there.
Yeah, you're gonna do it today, then.
Do what?
The chalk. See, look at that. Thank you, bro.
What do you do with the chalk?
Write your IG in front of your car. You bring your car today?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. There you go.
I'll go with it.
You're gonna be featured in a couple videos. I know a couple YouTubers are filming today.
I'm gonna go market over there.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
You know who Chris Sagowski is? No? You know who Chris is?
Nah.
Man, you suck then. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I've been up, I've been up, I've been up. I've been down, I've been down, I've been down. I've been up, I've been up, I've been up. I've been down like a running back. I don't got time for you running back. I need my love back. Too bad I won't get it back. We fell apart from the things you don't see. You was never wrong, it was always on the breeze. How that shit was me, I was working OT. I was on that come up and you was in the sheets. Fucking with them niggas saying that you fuck with me. That shit was a lie, but I'm over that beat. Burning up them tires like I'm smoking on the tree. What is there to see? She wasn't meant for me. I was on my come up when you tried to run up. I was in my feelings, I was.
So he wants the Pizza Hut thing the guy gave us in the last video. If you guys have not seen that video when he gave me the Pizza Hut thing, it's right here on top.
About to send it. You ain't down.
Alright, I bet. Alright, yeah. This is what. No, it doesn't light up. But you can get like fucking lights at the dollar store, bro. That takes batteries. It might light up. I don't know. But he wanted it for his drift car, so we're gonna give it to him.
It
You guys want pizza? Hit him up.
Does not exceed 55.
Boy, you better stop. We went on the freeway over that shit already. There you go. Man, go ahead. Like, try to pull it off, bro. It's hard to pull off. Yeah, hit yeah. And there's rubber, so it won't scratch your shit.
Where's the light at, though?
I figured he,
There is no light?
I figured he tried to steal it last week. No, it was funny because he told my brother-in-law, hey, go steal that off that car. And it was his car. My brother-in-law's car. He's like, what?
Where the pizza at? No.
But you already know what it is.